Greetings, I'm Joy, Resor of Joy on Your Shoulders, reading to you 2 entries from my second book, Go in Joy, Venture to Your Center, journaling prompts to enliven your joy. Looks like this. So I opened it earlier to 2 entries. Enjoy. Nature. Are we communing with nature as much as we'd like? Do we understand the extraordinary benefits of being with all that exists outside our windows and doors? Can we give ourselves high doses of hikes, bikes, sightseeing, and light shows? Can we dangle our toes into rivers, wrangle ourselves between boulders, or spangle ourselves with leaves? In what ways is nature a part of your life or not? How might this shift? 2 pages later, there's a quip. This says, nestle nature-wise. The other entry is thankful. How thankful are we? Do we believe in gratitude? Do our hearts generate thankfulness, thanksgiving, and gratitude? Do we keep a gratitude journal or a thankful jar? Might we start? Attention to a practice increases its effects. Is today the day to write a note of appreciation to Aunt Anne? Write from your thankful heart to see what it would like to say. 2 pages later, it says, thank you always. And thank you. Thank you for watching. I am Joy Resor of Joy on Your Shoulders. Bye-bye.